My typical weekday begins promptly at 7 in the morning. As soon as my alarm goes off, I try not to hit the snooze button, even though it's tempting. I get out of bed, open the window to let in some fresh air, and begin my morning routine. I wash my face, brush my teeth, and do some light stretching or a few yoga poses to activate my body and mind. After freshening up, I get dressed for the day and head to the kitchen, where I prepare a light breakfast. On most days, it's a cup of black or green tea accompanied by a few sandwiches, sometimes with cheese, sometimes with eggs or avocado. If I have extra time, I like to add fruit or yogurt. I find that eating a good breakfast helps me concentrate better during lessons. By 7:45, I leave for school. The walk takes about 10 minutes, and I usually listen to music or a podcast along the way. I enjoy this short walk because it gives me a moment to clear my head and think about what the day might bring. Classes start at 8, and I generally have between 5 and 6 lessons each day. These include a range of subjects such as mathematics, English literature, physics, geography, and a foreign language. Currently, I'm studying French. During school hours, I try to stay focused and participate actively in class discussions. Some subjects come more naturally to me than others, but I make an effort to engage in every lesson. I also take notes carefully, so it's easier to study later. I finish school around 3 in the afternoon. When I get home, I usually have lunch, or rather, a full meal, with my family. We often eat together, which gives us time to talk about our day. After the meal, I usually begin my homework. It can take anywhere from 1 to 3 hours, depending on the number of assignments or if I have an upcoming test. Once I've finished my schoolwork, I go out for a walk or meet up with friends around 5 o'clock. We might go to the park, grab a snack, or just stroll around and talk. Spending time with friends helps me unwind and balance out the stress of the school day. In the evening, my family and I have supper together. It's a quiet time where we relax and catch up. Afterward, I help my mother with the dishes or other small chores around the house. It's a small way of showing appreciation for everything she does. Once the kitchen is tidy, I usually spend some time reading, watching a movie, or scrolling through social media, though I try not to overdo it. I like to end the day on a calm note. Around 10 o'clock, I get ready for bed. I find that maintaining a consistent bedtime helps me stay productive and energetic during the week. Before falling asleep, I often reflect on the day's events or plan what I want to achieve tomorrow.